most beautiful waterfalls around the world. Number 8. Dettifoss, Iceland, Europe's most powerful waterfall. Known for its raw energy and mist-filled canyon, perfect for dramatic cinematic shots. Number 7. Yosemite Falls, USA. The tallest waterfall in North America, 739 meters. Located in Yosemite National Park, California. Iconic for its sheer granite cliffs and natural beauty. Number 6. Gullfoss Waterfall, Iceland. Known as the Golden Falls, part of Iceland's Golden Circle. Two-tiered waterfall with glacial water from the Vita River, stunning during summer with green surroundings and in winter with ice formations. Number 5. Kaieteur Falls, Guyana. One of the most powerful waterfalls in the world. Height, 226 meters, surrounded by dense rainforest with rare wildlife. Remote location gives it a pristine, untouched feel. Number 4. Plitvice Lakes Waterfalls, Croatia. Famous for cascading lakes and terraced waterfalls. Located in Plitvice Lakes National Park, a UNESCO site. Turquoise water and lush greenery make it a photographer's paradise. Number 3. Victoria Falls, Zambia. Known locally as the Smoke That Thunders. Width, 1,708 meters. Height, 108 meters. One of the largest in the world. Offers spectacular views and adventure activities like bungee jumping and river cruises. Number 2. Iguazu Falls, Brazil. One of the largest waterfall systems on Earth with over 275 individual falls. UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its thunderous roar and rainforest wildlife. Number 1. Angel Falls, Venezuela. Height, 979 meters, the tallest waterfall in the world. Located in Canaima National Park, this natural wonder is surrounded by lush rainforest, best viewed during the wet season when it cascades in its full glory.